Is your Rogers Ignite TV cable box stuck displaying 01? This typically indicates a boot loop or activation failure. The box is unable to properly initialize its operating system. The most common immediate solution is to perform a power cycle. Unplug the box from the power outlet for at least 30 minutes. This allows the box to fully reset. After 30 minutes, plug it back in and allow it to restart. If the 01 error persists after the power cycle, the next step is to attempt a factory reset using the remote. Press and hold the OK button on your Rogers remote for approximately 10 seconds. This should bring up a hidden menu with the option to perform a factory reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. Keep in mind that a factory reset will erase any custom settings. If basic power cycling and factory resets don't resolve the 001 error, more advanced troubleshooting is needed. Rogers provides tools to help address persistent 001 errors. Start with remote activation using the Rogers app or website. This relinks your cable box to your Rogers account securely. A stable internet connection is crucial during the activation process to prevent connectivity errors. If issues persist, contact Rogers support. They can remotely update firmware or identify hardware problems. Prepare your account details and cable box model number. To prevent future 01 errors, place your cable box in a well-ventilated area to avoid overheating. Use a surge protector to guard against voltage spikes during storms. Enable automatic firmware updates for bug fixes. If the box is older than 2 years, Rogers offers free replacements under warranty. Following these steps should help resolve persistent 01 errors and keep your Rogers cable box running smoothly.